Okay, we're going to just start out with a little bit of vocabulary over function. So first of all, a function is a relationship that pairs an input with exactly one output. So it's very important that you understand an input versus an output. So inputs would be x's. So inputs are your x's, and outputs would be your y's. So when you are working with function, you're only going to have exactly one input for each output. Okay, or one output for each input. The domain is the set of all possible values for x's. So input, another word for input are your domains. And your outputs are also known as your ranges. So it's just a little bit of vocab terminology that you will actually use within function. So a function is kind of the answer. Here's our function in this situation. So when we input, so a function is like an equation. When we input the number -2 in place of x, so if I put -2 here, what would our y equal? Well, y would equal 3 times -2, which gives us that -6. So that's the output, or what we got out of substituting in x for that equation. So that's just a little bit of vocab terminology that we'll be working with in 6.2.